I'll wait to see your golden smile. Feel 1,000 kisses. Hope you stay a while. I'll reach up to hold your sunlit face. Feels like a handful of silk now. I'm in your warm embrace. Oh,
you just look amazing. No, St. Johnny's sweating.
The world around us turns and fades to black. Together we'll hold back the sun in this moment, forever young. Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun. This feeling moves me every single day. I'm captured by your charm, enchanted
On Tuesday,
by your
29th of March
ways.
2011, on a very sticky dance floor in Leeds Halo nightclub, dreams were made. Here is where Ellie kissed a man wearing double denim, his dad's shoes, and a hair full of grease. What a man. Just to clarify, that man was me. After Leeds, I couldn't wait to be with Ellie, so I backed this up with our first date at Birmingham's finest, Spaghetti Junction, Nando's. Ellie then announced she was off to Exeter for 4 years. She then announced a further 5. I clocked up the miles and got to know every single service station on the M4 and M5. Truth be told, I couldn't wait to be with her every weekend. I was counting down the days we were apart, and I would do it all over again if it meant I was a part of her life.